Urgent. Writers needed. Did you know you can earn money by writing? You don't need any experience at all to join. You can turn your extra time into cash. Writing is a great way to earn extra money. You can get paid to write short articles. Let me introduce you to Writing to Wealth. This is a great opportunity for anyone who loves to write to make extra cash. You can certainly search yourself and find job opportunities for free online. But with Writing to Wealth, all your jobs are in one easy-to-find place. Work from home, set your own hours. Are you ready to take the step to Writing to Wealth? Just go to albertgrande.com/write or click below. Get ready to write to wealth.